Welcome to the Shnow Motorsports car meet at Highmark Stadium. Took us 15 minutes to find parking, but already looking bigger than last year. So let's see. Thank you. Here an aventador somewhere. There it is. Through here. Top fuel dragster and an actual go-kart. Wow! Oh my, I didn't realize there were that many. This thing is neat though. Never seen this one before. A Audi R8 V10 with a roof box on it. That's nice. Looks good with the spoiler too. Here is the Buffalo Car Care Shelby C8 Corvette. You know, the more I see these, the more and more I want to buy one. Holy crap! This is a full red interior and a matte gray paint. Whoa! What? A Watkins, Glen, NASCAR, and Toyota Camry TRD pace car. Huh? Whoa. This is an actual NASCAR Watkins, Glen, Toyota Camry TRD pace car. Look at that.
It was awkward. I said that and I just got screwed.
Oops, sorry. Saw this at the first one. Whoa. Ford GT. Oh, look at the paint. Ferrari F355 Berlinetta. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Is this an ARCA car? Yeah, it is. Wow. Actual, whoa. An actual ARCA car. Look at this thing. It's a rally car. Rally Subaru Impreza. All right, we have made our way to a sidewalk, so maybe we'll be able to get some cars leaving. By the way, here is the updated progress on the new Highmark Stadium. Looking pretty good now. I like the shape that they're going with for the new stadium. It looks kind of futuristic to me. Audi's turning around. This might be a good exit. Oh, look at that car. Nice. God. Ooh. I think I've seen at least one of these, maybe. Okay. Oh, they're all turning around. Ooh, a chaser. I love SN95 Mustangs. I'm gonna get one someday. Someday. Whoa. More motorcycles. Headphone users warning. Whoa, is it a Jaguar F-Type? First it looked like a Ferrari to me. I couldn't tell. Ooh, that's a TDI. Whoa, look at that Audi. This traffic is an absolute oh boy. Oh boy. BMW M1000 double R. Oh boy, here we go. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. That's interesting. Whoa. Oh, he's turning around. This is going to be interesting. My arm's dead. You have to turn back around and go that way. Oh. Oh, that was perfect. Old, oh, it's a Dodge Magnum. Oh, I just noticed C8 Corvette over there. Miata. What? How big are those rims? 30 inches? We got a lot of motorcycles. Dirt bike. Good Lord, that's loud. Oh, we got more over that way. It's up there. Turn up there. Oh, good. They saw. Oh, he missed it again. Ooh, look at this. Oh boy. Ooh, M4. Ooh, Chevy Bel Air, I think. can't go in that way. Oh, hey, Cobra! Oh my god, that's so dangerous. I don't know what he's doing. Bro, that blue car literally just pulled directly in front of the Corvette. Why? Dodge Viper. That was interesting. C-Class, I think, or E-Class or something. I don't know the Mercedes classes, so correct me if I'm wrong. So much traffic. Woo! Golf with the carbon fenders and hood. Volkswagen. What is that green Is that a Mustang? No idea. There's that pink Camaro again. E63. I thought it was an E-Class. Wait, is that a Hudson? There's a Volkswagen bus. Golf R? Might be. Never mind, it's a GTI. Can't tell them apart. It's a Shelby, I think. Ow! How much power does that have? Ooh, motorcycle again. Yeah, you can't go that way. Whee! Up there. Wait. I've been hearing a car backfiring. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's this. Ooh, Lotus Elise. It's a Lotus Elise. Look at that, an actual Lotus Elise. Oh, this might be the backfiring car because I could see. Ooh. Smoke. There's the mob of three-wheelers. Whoa! Too bad I missed that. Ooh, Plymouth Prowler. So many three-wheelers in a line. Ooh. Oh, that actually doesn't sound too bad for an RHO. Ooh, Supra. It's behind the vehicle, but it's behind the sheriff's truck, but after the C1 Corvette. Wow. There's our first Hyundai Elantra N. What? That car's straddling two lanes and change lanes with no blinker. Can't see when that Elantra's leaving. I was just sitting there. So many cars. Here it comes. Boy. That was neat. RX-7 just started up.
I gotta ask you a question. It says GSL, but is it GSL SE? This is SE? Oh, it is an SE. They use that for me?
That sounds pretty good. Wouldn't be surprised if this is stock. There's the Elantra again. And a Miata. Whoa! 5-cylinder. Cadillac Blackwing. And this is something that I didn't mention before, but I actually ran into a subscriber back up that way. First time I've ever done that, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys again in the September Buffalo Cars and Coffee.